Hello, I'm Jack Cochran. Along with my wife Sandra, we are the founders of The Storehouse. The Storehouse is a faith-based ministry in Pflugerville, Texas, and what we do is provide groceries for the less fortunate or the needy who are feeling the pressure of this economic crunch that we're experiencing right now. And we want to give you an opportunity to help us continue to help others. Last year we had fed 52,000 people who had needs for just daily bread on their table. So each year we host a fundraiser at Lost Creek Country Club. It's the only fundraiser we do, but it's one way we can give you an opportunity to become a partner with us to help us continue to help those. And it's a scramble golf tournament, April the 25th at Lost Creek Country Club, and it begins at 11:30. And if you would like to join us, if you have a foursome, a single, or if you'd like to sponsor with your business, we have several levels of sponsorship. This year I do want to thank HEB and Christensen Air Conditioning, who have been one of our sponsors. And you can go online at www.thestorehousenetwork.com and you can register online, you can pay online, or you can just make a donation online. Either way, please join us this year, April the 25th, Lost Creek Country Club, for our annual golf tournament for the Storehouse. Thank you so much, and we'll look forward to seeing you.